What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress names, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to improve the Windows overall performance with a simple prompt, okay? It's a very hidden feature that from time to time, from month to month, you need to solve. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your start menu, search for command prompt, just like this. Right click over and run as administrator, okay? Click on yes. You're gonna be able to see this panel right here. All you have to do now is type this command, DISM //online/ cleanup image start command cleanup, okay? So this is the code. Copy the code just like this. Remember to use the space, okay? It's very important. Click on OK and type enter. You're gonna be able to see this progress bar. I will try to not cut the video so you can see the process until the successful message, but on yours it can take a while. It can take 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, according to how problematic is this part, okay? Mine is fast because I already made one to test and it was really hard to do because it takes a lot of time, but now it's faster because it's all clean. There's no much to be cleaned. After completing the change, all you have to do is close the tab and restart your computer, okay? Just like this. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.